welcome back to another video. I'm Kawaii D and today I'm going to teach you how to make lasagna. So we have 4 simple ingredients. This is the meat sauce that you saw me make last time, the bechamel sauce, and we have some cheese, and we have my lasagna sheets. Let's start by putting some meat sauce on the base. Around, and when I'm done, I put 2 lasagna sheets on it. Basically, I repeat, put some meat sauce on top, and then put the bechamel sauce, spread, and then you sprinkle some cheese on top, and then put 2 more of this. So now I do the bechamel sauce. Now I put some cheese. Do it like. Now I put 2 more cheese. This is the final part before baking. So basically we just need to put cheese on top. For my final touch, I'm going to grate some pecorino cheese on top. All done. Now I just need to put it in the oven and we'll have it for dinner tonight. Ooh, this looks yummy, but I better be careful because it's super hot. this is my dinner for today, and I'm so excited, and I'm gonna try it out, but I better be careful because it's so hot. Look good. Really good. If you guys remember the plate, the sheet of lasagna, yeah, this is actually it, but cooked. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and don't forget to subscribe. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch more of my other videos. Bye! Right. Click here to watch more of my other videos and click here. What? Can you pause?